Welcome to Prakit Consultancy Private Limited. Please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications on the latest videos. Today we will know about the differences between inventory management and few interchangeable words. While few terms may seem to be one and the same at first glance and are used interchangeably, today let us know about the differences between these words. Understanding the differences between these terms is important to an organization. Inventory management. Inventory management is a systematic approach to sourcing, ordering, storing, and selling inventory, both raw materials and finished goods. Inventory management is maintaining the right amount of stock at the right levels in the right place at the right time and at the right cost as well as price. The objective of inventory management is to ensure the products to be present in the right quantity whenever required. Knowing about the reorder point of the inventory and ensuring the presence of inventory at the right place in the right quantity is considered in the inventory management. Inventory management focuses on the right quantity of goods at right time. Inventory management is dealing with the management and maintenance of inventory goods, that is, when to order the products and in what quantity and through what sources. Inventory control. Inventory control is the practice of generating maximum revenue of the company's inventory by regulating it through various practices. The objective of inventory control is to generate maximum profit with minimum investment in the inventory without compromising customer satisfaction. The cost of maintaining the finished goods within the company increases the cost of inventory. Inventory control is action for controlling the goods or stocks in a proper way efficiently. Inventory control focuses on the inventory of various items within its process and its quantity. Having the knowledge about the right product and its location and placed at the right time and fulfill the demands of buyers by providing the goods in a proper way is considered in the inventory control. Material management. Material management is the managing the raw materials which are used in the production of goods like wood, metals, plastics, and fabrics. Raw materials in the inventory is a current asset on the company's balance sheet, and over time, raw materials are pulled from inventory and used in the production of finished goods. The material management also come under inventory management because the raw material is also type of goods which a company uses to make final products, and these are also to be maintained for the flow of the production lines to eliminate the delay in production time. Finished goods are the products which manufacturers sell to wholesalers and retailers. In a typical process, when production is complete, move the inventory directly from raw materials to finished goods in the accounting. Warehouse management. Warehouse management is the process of maintaining and controlling the operations inside a warehouse, and its process begins right from receiving the inventory from the seller, movement of goods inside the warehouse, to allocating storage space for all the products inside the warehouse. It encompasses everything that takes place inside the warehouse. That is, warehouse management controls the storage and movement of products and materials within a warehouse, such as inventory tracking and stock locations. Warehouse management is much more critical to the day-to-day operations in the entire order fulfillment process as compared to inventory management. Warehouse management tend to be more complex and divide warehouses into multiple compartments and bins, which allows to manage the entire storage system within the warehouse rather than one particular location. It manages all of the items available in the warehouse. Warehouse management, however, helps companies to find specific locations where the inventory is stationed. It gives companies much more control over their operations and offers the companies the opportunity to analyze and make adjustments to inventory and storage when needed. Supply chain management. Supply chain management is the handling of the flow of goods and services at every stage, from the supply of materials and the manufacture of the goods through to the consumption by the consumer. This process requires an organization to have a network of suppliers that serve as links in the chain to move the product through each stage. An efficient, optimized supply chain is important to the fulfillment of customer orders for a company. SCM is the umbrella term that covers product development, sourcing, production, procurement, logistics, and more when it comes to operations in the supply chain. Without it, companies run the risk of reducing its customers and losing a competitive edge in respective industries. Effective supply chain management improves the financial position of an organization by delivering value linked to the organization's corporate strategy. Supply chain management plays a significant role in customer satisfaction through the delivery of products and services. Good supply chain management is critical at reducing operating costs from procurement activities through operations and logistics functions and throughout the whole supply chain. The scale of profitability for larger organizations is relative to the management of an organization's supply chain. Asset management. Asset management is a systematic process of developing, operating, maintaining, upgrading, and disposing of assets in the most cost effective manner, including all costs, risks, and performance attributes. It includes the management of the entire life cycle, including design, construction, commissioning, operating, maintaining, repairing, modifying, replacing, and decommissioning, disposal of physical and infrastructure assets. Assets are long term and are not easily sold. On the other hand, inventories are short term and sold easily. Asset management helps in saving maintenance costs and reports analytics. The difference between asset management and inventory management is assets equal to what you own, inventory equal to what you sell. Inventory management and asset management both track a company's property, but inventory management focuses on the flow of items a company sells or parts it uses to make goods. Asset management, on the other hand, monitors items an organization uses internally which are not for sale. Logistics management. Logistics management is a part of supply chain management that mainly focuses on management of flow of goods and services that are bought, stored, and then transported to desired destination. It mainly focuses on management flow of goods and services. The process of logistics management includes organizing, planning, implementing, and controlling flow of goods, products efficiently. It delivers the product to customer on time at appropriate location. The main objective of logistics management is to move all inventories more effectively and efficiently in supply chain and to increase the level of customer satisfaction. Logistics management provides various benefits such as saves cost, increase customer satisfaction, improves performance, improves flexibility, etc. Stock. Stock items are the goods you sell to customers, which includes finished products, parts, materials, etc. The more stock or products you sell, the more revenue your business generates. Inventory includes finished product and ready to sell work in progress goods which are not fully converted and raw material which is required to create the product. Stock is finished product ready to sell into a marketplace. Stock can also have raw material if the company sells raw material to customers. It confuses the people mostly about the difference between them. Though they often sound similar, they vary in terms of their usages or applications. They serve different distinct objectives of the organization according to the need requirement of the systems. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get the latest notifications.